Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Nita. I discussed some of the important neurological conditions in my previous classes. If it was useful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today's topic is about one of the important concept, that is acid-base balance. These two substances should be in balanced level in order to maintain equilibrium or homeostasis. So what is meant by homeostasis? It's a self-regulating process by which the biological system tend to maintain stability. For example, our body temperature is tightly maintained at 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Why? Because when hypothermia occurs, the metabolic rate increases, metabolic need increases, and also all physiological system will go to an upset level. Understood? So that's why the acid-base balance should have a good and tight control in order to maintain pH at normal range. Clear? Look at the seesaw. You can see two persons, one at high position, another person at low position. Why? Because the disparity in their weight, the difference in their weight, if they are maintained adequate or the approximate equal weight, they can maintain the seesaw at normal level or neutral level. Okay, so we can today we can discuss about acid-base balance. No, it's vital for normal body function, and when this equilibrium is disturbed, it can lead to severe symptoms such as arrhythmia, seizure, etc. So there should be a balance, there should be tight control for maintaining acid-base balance. Look at the picture. You can see two organs are responsible for maintaining acid-base balance: kidney and lungs. The kidney that regulate the reabsorption of bicarbonate. Clear? It's a base. Then the lungs that regulate the excretion of the carbon dioxide. It is a potent acid. When combined with water, it converted to the carbonic acid. It's a weak acid. Okay. Then these two organs work together in a harmonious way in order to maintain blood pH between 7.35 to 7.45. That is a normal blood pH. So today's class we can discuss about the important concepts about acid and base, and we can discuss what the significance of acid-base balance. We can go to the details now. What is an acid? What is acid? Acid is a substance which can donate hydrogen ion or proton, or we can say what? Add hydrogen ion. So when adding hydrogen ion means it increases hydrogen ion concentration. Understood? So hydrochloric acid that gives hydrogen ion plus chloride ion. It means it add hydrogen ion. And what is base? Base means it's a substance which accept hydrogen ion or proton. It means what? It bind with hydrogen ion. See the equation? Hydroxyl group plus hydrogen ion. It bind with hydrogen ion, that gives water. It means base, it has decreased hydrogen ion concentration. So I think the concept is clear. Acid that gives hydrogen ion, that donate hydrogen ion. Base that that bind with hydrogen ion. Base means that bind with hydrogen ion. It's clear? Yes. Then what is mean by pH scale? What is the meaning of pH? pH means it is potent hydrogen ion concentration, or we can say hydrogen ion concentration in extracellular fluid, that is known as what? pH. Okay, pH it is equal to minus log hydrogen ion. pH is inversely related to hydrogen ion concentration. What is the meaning of inversely related? It means low pH that goes what? Low pH means high hydrogen ion concentration. High pH means what? Low hydrogen ion concentration. It is clear? Low pH, that is high hydrogen ion concentration. High pH, that is low hydrogen ion concentration. So that is inversely related. pH and hydrogen ion concentration is inversely related. Okay, so we can discuss what is acidosis? Increased acidity. Acidosis means increased acidity, means increased hydrogen ion concentration. So what is acidemia? When pH is less than 7.35. That is mean by acidemia. Then what is alkalosis? Alkalosis means increased alkalinity. Okay. Then what is alkalemia? That is when the pH that goes above 7.45, that is known as what? Increased pH, that is known as what? Alkalemia. Okay, so the two concepts, acidemia, alkalemia, acidosis, alkalosis. It's clear. And also the pH and its inverse relationship with hydrogen ion concentration, that also you have to remember. And then you can see in the pH scale, in normal pH scale, its value varies from 0 to 14. Okay, the neutral value, it is known as what? 7. Then pH less than 7, that is acidic, and pH greater than 7, that is known as what? Alkaline. What is blood pH? Normal pH, it is 7.35 to 7.45. Clear now? Yes. Then when the pH less than 7.35, that is acidic. pH greater than 7.45, that is alkaline. Okay. Then think about some of the situation. In case of vomiting, in case of severe vomiting, what happened? Lot of hydrogen ion and chloride ion, hydrochloric acid, that is present in the gastric juice, no? That will lose from our body. So, lot of acid content loss from our body, that leads to change in the pH in stomach. It altered to what? Alkaline pH. That disturb normal function of the stomach. It means normal acidic medium, acidic pH in the stomach, that is a stimulant for what? The many enzymes, and that is essential for the digestion. For example, pepsinogen, that is stimulated by the adequate level of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. When the acid loss from the body, what happened? That acidic medium changed to alkaline medium, so stimulation of the pepsinogen is not possible, so protein digestion is disturbed. So if there is change in pH, that leads to what? The disturbance in the normal physiological function. In case of kidney failure, what happened? Lot of nitrogenous waste product that will accumulate in the body. It is not able to remove the waste product from the body, that will accumulate. Ammonia excretion is disturbed. Bicarbonate reabsorption will disturb. Okay, so that leads to a stage of what? Acidosis. Then in case of diarrhea, what happened? Lot of electrolytes including potassium, bicarbonate loss from our body. So alkali, it is bicarbonate is alkali, it is a base, no? Okay, so when bicarbonate loss from our body means the alkaline nature decreased, so body go to a stage of acidosis. Clear, no? So these are the problem that happen in the change in the pH. Okay, so we can go to what are the effects of pH changes. It means it causes changes in the excitability of the nerves and muscles. It means what? When pH decreases, excitability of the nerves and muscles will decrease. pH increases, that leads to what? Increased excitability. That influences enzyme activity, that I explained. In case of vomiting, what happened? That influences potassium level. For example, in case of acidosis, what is meant by acidosis? Acidosis is characterized by increased hydrogen ion concentration. When hydrogen ion concentration increases, that leads to acidosis. That you know. The pH is on the basis of hydrogen ion concentration. When acidosis occurs, pH will decrease. Okay. Then when hydrogen ion concentration decreases, pH will increase. That is the inverse relationship of pH and hydrogen ion. In case of acidosis, what happened? It has good relation with the potassium, no? So hydrogen ion in the blood is very high. In that situation, hydrogen ion go into the cell, and from the cell, potassium is an intracellular cation. From the cell, potassium come out and go to the blood. So acidosis leads to hyperkalemia. Clear? So in case of hyperkalemia, what happened? It leads to lethal arrhythmia. It may end in cardiac arrest, no? So these are the problems can occur in case of pH changes. So that much important is pH. pH should be strictly regulated. pH should be strictly, tightly managed. Try to maintain pH in its normal range. Otherwise, it causes lethal effect to our body. And these are the two important organs that are responsible for maintaining the pH. Kidney that deal with the reabsorption of bicarbonate, and lungs that deal with the excretion of carbon dioxide. That is, respiratory component is lung and metabolic component is the kidney. And the remaining aspect that I will discuss in the coming session. Okay, so I think I explained some of the important concepts of acid, base, pH, pH scale, and also the metabolic component and respiratory component, and after effect of variation from normal pH. This all I discussed. I think it is clear. Okay. Then some of the question you try to answer. What is pH? pH means it is potential hydrogen ion, or it is a hydrogen ion concentration. Specify pH of acidic solution. Acidic solution, what is the pH? Is it high or low? It is low. What is the pH of alkaline solution? Is it high or low? It is high. Specify pH of blood. It is what? It is 7.35 to 7.45. Identify pH of urine. Its average value is between 6 to 7.5.